Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. By watching this tutorial, you'll learn what you need to do to import WooCommerce coupons to your website using the import option in the WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, which is really straightforward and quick at the same time. Will help you import thousands of WooCommerce coupons just by one click. Now, to open import export page, just go to WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, Woo coupons, and import export tab. Now, to import as many coupons as you need to the WooCommerce by using our plugin, you need to have a CSV file including the suitable data. Then, in order for the plugin to import data from this file, just go ahead and click on Browse. Now, browse the location in which you have saved the file on your device and go ahead and choose it. Now click on Open. Now you'll see the name of that file next to Browse, which means the data of coupons can be imported. And that's it. All you need to do now is just click on Import Now and just wait for the plugin to do the rest.
What?